A gCADPlus user has asked for a little more information about how you utilise the properties box. That's the box on the left-hand side of the screen over here. You might use it when developing a drawing such as this because there are some errors in this drawing that we'd like to fix up. And because there are so many elements here, it's a little bit difficult to do that. If I select the hatching, it's a gravel pattern there. Notice that it's on a layer L path, which is reasonable. But if I select one of the plant symbols here, it's also on the layer L path. So what I can do to fix that up easily is I could go to Tools and Selection and just select all. Everything's been selected. When I do that, notice that in the Properties box, everything changes. There's a heading All 1097, and if I look here, I can pick and isolate just the blocks. And because what we've done is filter that big long list, and we're just looking at blocks now, and the layer varies. So they're all plant symbols, so I can throw them on the plant symbols layer, and we're done. Unselect all. Now when I come back here and pick that symbol, it's a Dianella, it's now on the plant symbol layer. So that's a very easy and quick way. Saves going over the entire drawing and picking that up. In the same way, notice how the text here read, that is a certain dimension style called standard, but over here where we're labeling plants, that's a dimension style plant label. So I could do exactly the same thing, and I could go Tools, Selection, select all, and filter the list so I pick out all the dimension styles. They're in fact leaders, so we could pick the leaders and we could change the dimension style, which just varies, and we can make them all plant label. Now, although we've got a colour of that dimension style to red, they are now the text is the same height and on the same layer and so on. So I hope that shows you how effective this properties box is.